Welcome to the final recipe for today, the masterclass using the AUTO10 Plus cold press juicer. I think I might have saved the best till last. This one's using the sorbet maker. I'm making a Neapolitan, the 3 vanilla, strawberry and chocolate, the old Neapolitan that you used to love as a kid and used to fight over who wanted the best flavour, who thought they'd get their flavour. It's easy for me because I always love strawberry, because I love fruit. Not many people love the strawberry. Most of them went for the chocolate. This is a vegan version. Of course, I've got banana in the vanilla one. I've got some banana, I've got some soaked cashews, and I've got some coconut cream, which I have frozen. Now check it out. I've just used some silicone ice molds, frozen some coconut cream, but I put some vanilla extract in there as well, and a little bit of maple syrup, just giving it a little bit of extra flavour. I've got some strawberries frozen, some cashews as well. This one's some coconut milk. That's also got some maple syrup in there. All right, and then we've got the chocolate layer, which will have sweet potatoes, a steamed sweet potato cut into cubes and frozen. Then we've got some coconut milk, which I've mixed in some cacao powder, some vanilla extract, and some more maple syrup as well. So a little bit of prep work ahead of time, not hard to do. Mixing some of the ingredients, put them in the freezer, let them freeze overnight, and then you're ready to go. We're going to use the sorbet strainer, of course, so let me show you how we go about putting that in. Let's take this one off. Okay, so let me remove. We want to put we don't need the wipers, we don't need the juice strainer, we just want the sorbet. Pop it in, red dot, lines up with red dot, press, sits in, it should spin. Then we've got the padlock on the front, lines up with the arrow. Woohoo! And then it twists closed. Now we've got the sorbet strainer, so we're ready to go. Make sure when you're doing this, you pull your ingredients out a few minutes. You know, they've been sitting here for 4 or 5 minutes before we go and pop them in the machine. I reckon we go with the vanilla one first. We're going to pop that in. We're no need for a pulp jug because there's no pulp coming out here. The sorbet strainer, everything's going to come out through the front of the machine. Okay, are we ready for ice cream? Triple treat? Let's get started. All right, so we can't just load everything into the hopper and then turn it on, walk away and have it all go through. You've got to just feed it as the machine's working. So it's got the hole at the top. Let's turn it on, pop some banana in, pop in a piece of the coconut milk. Cap should be open. Put some cashew nuts in there. Okay, you might get tempted to overfeed it, but take your time. If you overfeed it, it will start to clump together in the hopper. That's okay. Just use a spatula and you'll have to scrape it down off the sides and help it in to the press. But if you go slowly, it'll do the job for you. So let's get this first layer. Now, we're going to put it together. I've got some silicone containers here, which I think we might use the big red one. So let me pop that in there and we'll just mix it all up a little bit. And you can see that's our vanilla layer. Ready to go back into the freezer. Okay, layer number one. Pop that aside. Now, I'm not going to clean the machine. It's going to push out that last little bit of vanilla in there, but that's perfect. We're going to eat it and mix it all up anyway. So let's make the strawberry layer. Slide on over. Same process. Take your time. See you in a minute. Okay, so once all of the sorbet has stopped coming out, we can turn it off. Get that off of there. Let's just give it a bit of a mix. Add some leftover vanilla there at the start. Get all that mixed in. How good's the colour, hey? Nice strawberry colour. Okay, into our ice cream container. Wow. Is there going to be any room for chocolate? Starting to melt fairly well. Let's push that up a bit more. Great, look at that. Layer number two. Okay, and the final layer, the chocolate layer. Same process. I'll see you in a minute. So there we have it. The chocolate layer has been done. Let's chop that off. And we want to get that, been going for a while here, starting to get nice and soft. Okay, let's have a look. Triple treat made from amazing, fresh, healthy ingredients. We'll pop that into the freezer. You could tuck straight into it, right, and eat it straight away. You'll see that the strawberry layer is the biggest one, probably because it's my favourite and I'm going to be getting into that. Let's pop it into the freezer and a bit later we'll show you the result.
Kuvings.